You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is Karan, your Futuristic Kodava. In today's vlog, we will be, explaining a lot about the charges. So till now we were, charging on the travel charger what we had got, right? So, see this is basically the pouch what you get from MG, right? So this is a pouch and this will have the travel charger. So this charger, if your car is at maybe 0%. It will take about 17 hours to 18 hours to get it completely charged. Okay, so this goes into the 8th socket, and it's a very slow charger, and it's very handy that you can take to places. And let's say that you are making a trip to a place wherein there are no charging stations as such, right? So at that moment in time you can carry this and plug it in any of the hotels or any other places that you can, right? So this is meant for that. This is not meant for the daily charging. The reason why we were charging on it on a regular basis was because if you look at this is a DC charger, right? So this had to be installed by the NG people itself, right? Even though we did the wiring and all of that, but to claim the warranty and all of that, they have to come, understand what is the current, what is the voltage that we have, and all that stuff, and then install it, right? So see, that's the reason we wanted to do this vlog in a separate basis and explain as to what is the charging like, see, because I've been getting a lot of questions on the charging, especially on the charging, because see, that's what matters, right? So if you own a petrol car, you can just randomly go to a petrol station and then fuel it in and then go wherever you want, right? So that's the convenience of it. But here you'll have to wait for it, it has to get it completely charged. Only then you can make a certain kilometers whatever you have planned, right? So at the same time, so see, this is a charger what we used to charge, and it used to take a lot of time, right? So no complaining about it, right? Because see, this is a travel charger, right? So speaking about this is a DC charger what they will be installing, which I will show you. See, this is already installed, right? So I'll show you a couple of footages that we could capture during the time the person came here and he installed the charger, right? So I will meet you guys right after that and explain as to what is the wiring and all that, right? So hope you enjoy the shots, and we'll meet you after that. So guys, that was a cinematic or whatever footages that we could take from it, because it was raining very heavily, and also currents fluctuating, and we had to switch on the generator to test whether it's working or not. And so there's a lot of changes that we had to do. Hope you guys understood whatever the little explanation the person gave, or the installation and all that process. But if you have questions, please do let me know. I will clarify it for you. Maybe in the next coming vlogs I can do it once again, wherein I show you guys what exactly are the things what you're questioning about, right? So coming back to the topic, so this is a 7.5 kilowatt hour charger. This is a DC charger. This gets connected directly to the AH power point, Okay, so this should have a proper earthing to it. Earthing is really important. It doesn't work without earthing, right? So, and another thing is that the wire here is about 6 mm of grit, right? So we would also see we had installed 4 mm wire, but then it wasn't taking that particular load, and the wires is to get heat up. So that's the reason we have reinstalled the entire wiring system, which we have taken from a place, the AH connection basically, right? So we have taken it from there, and this is the 6 mm wire that we speak about. This is according to the MG guys that we have to put, and this is a breaker, and yeah, so that's about it. See, this is a setup, and see, this is a charger, right? So you just have to switch this on. It starts blinking. You will get a RFID tag, which you have to keep here, so that the charger gets on. You hear that sound, which is a long beep. So that is a beep, which means that the charger is getting ready, and basically you just have to plug it in, and the color changes here, right? So that's how it works. So this is the RFID tag what I spoke to you about. So you get two of these, right? So two of these, and so this is an offline bit. So you'll also have another online bit, which I will screen record and maybe display it as well. Wherein what is the process like, where exactly you understand the small bit of it as well. So when I say small bit, it refers to, see, if there is any fault in your line, the system shows you what exactly is the fault, what is an alert. For example, we have done a small bit of modification in this in the connection, because of a lot of lightning in this place and a lot of rains and all of that in Coorg. If you guys would have already known that, right? So we have done a small connect and disconnect connection in the 8th socket. So I'll show you guys that how it works. So if I basically remove that and then plug this on, this will not charge. Okay, it will start showing that there is too much of voltage, and also there's no earthing which is present. Okay, so that's something that we have done because of Coorg. But except that, so see, this is a really good system what you can have, right? So see, this, like I told you, you can either operate it through a mobile. So for if you're operating it through a mobile, right, so you'll have to be in this premises. Okay, so it gets connected through Bluetooth, and then it gives you reading of the particular charger as to how many amperes of current which is used, what is the voltage, what is the amount of charging time, and all that stuff will be given to you. You can either program it in ways like, if you want a certain number of kilowatt hour to be charged. Let's say that only 2 kilowatt hour you need to be, you need the car to be charged. You can do that. You can, program it in such a way that you can, enter 2 kilowatt hour, and this is the timings, and start the charge. So it will stop the charge right after that particular kilowatt hour. Okay, so it's really good for that. Okay, so see, that's what the entire charging is like. I will show you a couple of shots of the wiring and all of that, right? So I will meet you guys after that, and we'll conclude this. So guys, that's how the wiring that we did. Okay, so I'll show you a little about the charger and how you can access the charger through the mobile. Okay, so this is how it goes. So you search for the app, which is an Exicom charger app here, which is called Plugged.
So you click on that, a small interface will show up which will show you the registered devices, and after that you click on the registered device. This thing shows up wherein it will show you the current status. It's gonna take a while because it's connected through Bluetooth, right? So that's the reason it's a little slow, right? So you click, you do a long press, wherein you can assign a certain kilowatt hour or a specific time which you need the charger to be on. You can do that. If not, just press on the play button here and it starts charging. So this will show you what is the amount of current which has been used and what is the time and all that stuff.
So, guys, I really hope that I could solve a couple of your queries or a couple of your mind blocks, whatever that you guys had in terms of the charger and what is the time that it takes and all that stuff, right? But still, if you guys still have questions on the same, you want me to do another video on the same, anything in particular, please do reach out to me. I will definitely make another video of it, or maybe address that in the upcoming videos as well. So hope you guys enjoyed it. So the basic stuff is, see, the amount of current what both the charger uses is same, but it's only that this takes in a lot of current, this doesn't. The travel charger doesn't take in a lot of current, that's all, right? So this is way more easier to charge, but this can be only installed in a particular location as such. That might be your house, that might be your office, or wherever you want it to be, right? So they don't have a particular location that no, you have to install it in your house itself and nowhere else. No, that's not that, right? So you can get it installed in any of your comfortable locations. And the other one, the travel charger, is to basically to take anywhere that you feel like, and to get that small amount of charge when you are staying in any of the restaurants or sorry, the hotels or stuff like that, right? So that's what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please drop a like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from us. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe, guys.